Hello friends and welcome to Fashionista. I know you've been asking me to show some kind of hair treatment and skin treatment to make your skin breathe healthily. So I am here to meet Debbie and Grace, and they are going to give you some important tips how to keep your skin and hair healthy and perfect.
And today we are going to show you a treatment, a very easy treatment, how to cleanse our pores, our skin, especially after all the fatty food we've been eating during the festival season. So the point is that because of all the heavy makeup and all, we're going to start showing you how a simple treatment can bring back all the vitamins back into our skin. What we're going to do, we're going to start cleansing your skin. I am using a 3-in-1 cleanser. So we're going to start this cleanser. It's cleansing as well as it's gently exfoliating, and it is refreshing or toning at the same time. So in one shot we're going to get her skin cleansed, refreshed and toned and exfoliated, very gentle exfoliating. Zelia's skin is very fine, so we are using a cream, a cleanser according to her skin. Always use a skin. Your products have to suit the person's skin. Yeah? We have already cleansed her eyes with an eye makeup remover. It's an oil-free eye makeup remover. Normally we would cleanse our skin. When you're doing it professionally, it's 3 minutes. Otherwise, at home you could just do it for a minute because you're doing it regularly. Okay, so we're cleansing her face. Then we're going to take a wet towel. This is important because the dead skin will come on the towel. Never use cotton or tissues on your face when you're doing these processes. Now this is a very simple method. Now we are going to steam her face. Okay, so we're just going to use a little bit of aloe gel. You're putting a little bit of aloe gel on her skin to loosen it up just a little bit, and then we're going to cleanse her face. Also at the end we're going to show you how after the steaming, it's a very simple process. We're just going to steam her skin, and then we cleanse her face. We take off all the excess blackheads, whiteheads and all, and then we're going to use a moisturizing gel mask, and it's a mask which has got 7 vitamins, very strong healthy mask, and we are going to detox it with a high frequency. So we are also adding oxygen into your skin as well as we are detoxing. So you're going to see that treatment. It's a very simple process. It's not a facial, it's not a full facial. You've got to rinse out your skin perfectly because the microderm and the cleansers are very powerful products. So there should not be a residue on the skin. Can you see how much her face is already brightened up? No? Now these are just simple techniques what one should be using. Yeah, this is a process which we are doing very quickly today. This is just to teach people how they can vitaminize their skin, and at home when you don't have a machine of a vapor like this at home. Yeah, just put a pad on a cotton pad on this eyes, but you could just over a bowl of hot water. That's our old techniques. All our parents did that. Warm water, put your head down, put a towel on the top. That's fine. Just as we just to open. Yeah. Yes. We have got, it's an ozone over there. Huh? So when you all are doing it in the house, make sure that we do it with the with a tub, but it's all closed up. So there's no pollution because your pores now are very vulnerable because they're open. So please don't do it anyhow, you know, at home. This of course, we are in a very clean zone. So it's very clean, very clean. So this has got oxygen as well coming out from that. So even when the pores are open, we are just putting in sprays of oxygen. You can see there's the light color underneath is different. Actually, most of our machine, the purpose is to detox the skin, as well as and as well as putting in the most oxygen we can in any of our things. So that's our main aim. Now we will be cleansing the skin. All of us have got blackheads and whiteheads. It's due to the sweat. It's when our pores, when the heat open up, the sweats stain. This is really not really painful, huh? No, is it, Zelia? Is it paining?
No.
And if you do this regularly, even at home, if you're cleaning your face, you know, like this once a week, it does not allow whiteheads and blackheads to settle in. So make sure that you're gently exfoliating every single day your skin. I mean gentle exfoliating.
I'm spraying an astringent to start closing the pores.
When you're doing your facial at home, always keep at least 3 face towels ready, clean. Because we are changing the towels because of the dead skins. So we never repeat the same. Yeah. Again, choose your mask to go with your skin type, whether your skin is dry skin, or like Zelia has got dry skin. So all of us, after the age of 50, systematically our skin starts drying. No? So it's better to take the dry skin mask. Please don't choose a mask for everyone, free for all. That's not good. Okay? Always stick to your skin tone. The mask is normally kept for minimum 10 minutes, but today we are going to show you a high frequency which is done on the mask, so the mask will penetrate deeper. Okay, because this is a purifying mask. This same treatment we also will show you all how to do it on the eyes. These are the ultra rays, you know, but it's they're high frequency rays. They're not high at all. No? It's not high at all. We've got different degrees.
Okay.
Like I take it much higher. We normally do much more intricate work. This is the most simplest treatment you can come to me for.
This is the final part, rinsing.
Up.
Wash off mask properly.
Yeah, this is a special serum which soothes our skin after any treatment, and it's made out of white and red tea from the Amazon. So this will soothe down any of the redness and
Does it have the moisturizer also?
Yes, yes,
Boost up the dry skin?
yes. Yeah, so this is the most simplest treatment to do. And if you can do this every 15 days, and people have got a lot of acne, a lot of pimples, then it would be best to do it every week. This would be really nice to do it. This is so easy. Please get good products. Very important. A mask to go with your skin, cleanser to go with your skin.